there, everybody. Today we will be performing a very short project, which is pretty similar to something that we performed very recently. Now, what we did was we took an image and we changed the background of it, which was also in the image form. So changing the background of an image. What we are doing today is we are changing the background of a video. Something that, let's say, a feature that you have already seen in Zoom or Google Meet. So let's try and build that. It's pretty easy. We have everything ready for us. Just need to execute it. So what I'm going to do is I'll just quickly go ahead and show you all a small demo. And there you go. Here I am. Please don't mind the lighting. It's the best I could handle for now. And so yeah, this is basically me with a white wall. You can have any background that you want. So this is it. Let's try and change that. Okay. So this is not that bad, except for, let's say, a little bit, okay, not there, a little bit of the area out here. Okay, it seems a little out of shape, but otherwise I think it's pretty fine, right? I mean, if you were to look from afar, it would be a little tough to distinguish as to if it's the actual one or not, right? It's pretty nice. So let's try and do this. I'm sure you can already see the code by now. So let's just have a quick run through and we'll be done. So we just have two important libraries that you need to get installed correctly. And for these two, I think you shouldn't be having any issue with the installation. So as you can see in this line out here, you need to pip install CVZone and mediapipe. I'm going to try and increase the font. All right. So, and you need OpenCV also. So in case you do not have OpenCV, you need that, OpenCV, CVZone, and mediapipe. Now, we won't be explicitly using mediapipe, but CVZone's selfie segmentation module uses mediapipe, hence we need it. Okay, so your first few import statements will be import CV2, import CVZone, and from CVZone.selfie segmentation module, import selfie segmentation. So what I'm going to do is I'm just quickly going to take you to the code of the selfie segmentation class. So if you go out here, you can see that it requires mediapipe. All right. And if you want to go ahead and understand each parameter, each function, how they work about, you can go and do that right here. Okay. So the function that you, or let's say to be precise, the method that we are using here is remove bg. And we have every single parameter explained here in detail. So you have the threshold, which is going to be pretty important for us. So let's say the higher the threshold value, the more cut it'll be, and otherwise it's much less. Okay, so this, you do not have to go to any documentation explicitly. You can just go out here, have a quick run through, and you'll be good to go. All right, now come back out here. A few very basic commands from OpenCV. That is, you have to capture your video. I have passed in the argument as 0 because I have my default laptop camera that I'm using. Next, I am setting the width and the height of my video to be taken as 640 and 480 respectively. And what I have done is I have taken background images of the exact same width and height. Any slight difference and there will be an issue while running the code. I have faced it, hence I'm telling you. I will be providing you links as to where you can try out free images from. And also I tried out an online image size converter wherein I am converting the size to 640 and 480. So you need to set your video to width, which value is 3, to 640, and height, which is 4, to 480. Okay, nothing very confusing. Just two important points. The library installation will not have a problem really. And second one is your picture and your video area. Okay, the width and the height, exactly the same. And that's it, all the basic stuff done. And now what I'm doing is I'm reading by my background image. And I have stored it in the same directory, hence I'm not explicitly mentioning a path. And I am using the imread method for that. And next I instantiate the selfie segmentation class that we just saw into the variable, or let's say the object seg. Now, while this is true, I want to read the video. I only need the video, or let's say the image or the exact frame that needs to be read into this variable, and the rest is not important to me right now, so I just give the other parameters an underscore. Now video, I need to remove the background, right? So we also saw the method remove BG. I shall be calling that pass in each frame, or let's say the variable video now. The next parameter will be the background image and the threshold. Now the threshold is something that you need to sit and try out what suits best for you. And we're going to try and do that in just a while. And that's it. I'm going to display it using IAmShow. Pass any name, any title. And next you need to pass the background removed video. All right. And what I'm doing here is just if you press the X key on your keyboard, it will exit. It'll close down all windows. That's all. That's all you're doing. And that's pretty fine. Let's go ahead and just for fun, I put in a random snowy image. Let's go to some snowy mountains now. All right. Hi. Okay. So again, I have this portion out here doing something weird. Never mind. So I am somewhere with pine trees and snow. Okay. And the threshold seems fine enough. I do not have too much of distortion. I guess that's something with the wall going on out there. But yeah, it works, right? It works. So this is how it looks. Go ahead and have some fun, try it out, and do let me know if you like it. Bye-bye. I'll see you all soon.